this video, I will tell you about 12 such hobbies that won't just improve your looks, but will make you so mentally and physically strong that people will automatically notice you. 1. Gym or calisthenics. Gym or calisthenics is a hobby that isn't just for building muscles. It shifts your entire identity. When you work out regularly, your body becomes tight, shoulders look broad, and your posture automatically improves. Along with this, your strength, stamina, and endurance gradually build up. You feel physically strong, and daily tasks start feeling easy. Through workouts, you develop discipline, learn to follow a routine, and slowly consistency becomes your habit. As you see progress, your self-confidence naturally boosts because you know you are working on yourself. The biggest change is in self-respect. You feel like you are putting in effort and making yourself better. This makes your presence powerful and noticeable. People start taking you seriously without any specific reason. 2. Running or any sport. Running or sports completely upgrade your energy system. When you run regularly or play sports like cricket or football, your stamina improves and your body handles fatigue better. You don't get tired easily, you can maintain focus for a longer time, and daily work feels more active. Additionally, your breathing improves, your heart gets stronger, and overall body endurance starts increasing. Playing sports makes your reflexes fast, coordination better, and you stay active not just physically, but mentally as well. This has a direct effect on your mood too. Stress decreases and you feel more positive. Active people have a natural freshness. They don't look dull or tired. Because of this, you look energetic and fresh, which automatically attracts people. 3. Martial arts. Martial arts doesn't just teach you how to fight. It builds control, discipline, and patience. When you do regular training, you learn to control your body movements and must bring focus to every action. You learn not to react to every situation, but to respond calmly, which is very useful in real life. Slowly, you move out of impulsive behavior, learn to control anger, and stay composed even in pressure situations. Along with this, your physical strength, balance, and reflexes also improve, making you feel more capable overall. This type of control is real confidence, which isn't loud, but is felt. Over time, calm confidence and silent dominance clearly start showing in your personality. 4. Grooming. Grooming seems like a basic habit, but its impact is clearly visible in every interaction. A clean face, trimmed beard, neat hairstyle, and proper hygiene. All these small things together create your daily image. When you maintain your appearance, people subconsciously start considering you a disciplined and self-aware person. No expensive products are needed for this. Just basic care and regular maintenance are important. People judge you as soon as they see you, and if you look maintained, your first impression automatically becomes strong. 5. Cooking. Cooking is a practical and powerful hobby that directly upgrades your lifestyle. When you take up cooking as a hobby, you don't just start making food. You start understanding nutrition, taste, and balance. You experiment, try new dishes, customize your diet, and slowly build a skill that serves you for a lifetime. Through this hobby, you become self-reliant. You don't need to depend on anyone for basic needs. Additionally, it develops discipline and patience because making good food requires consistency and attention. Honestly, a guy who can cook good food for himself automatically looks more responsible, independent, and attractive. 6. Traveling. Traveling is a hobby that takes you out of your comfort zone. This isn't just about roaming around, it's real-life learning. When you experience new cities, people, and cultures, your thinking expands. You become more open-minded and adaptable. Through this hobby, you learn planning, decision-making, and handling unexpected situations like delays, managing a budget, or dealing with unknown people. Also, your communication skills and confidence naturally improve because you interact with different people. Traveling gives you stories, experiences, and builds a personality that doesn't seem boring but looks interesting and engaging, which attracts people. 7. Reading. Reading deepens your thinking. You don't just react at a surface level, but respond after understanding. When you regularly read books or useful content, you have ideas, perspectives, and you are able to add value to conversations. Nowadays, most people consume but don't process. This is where you take the edge. Slowly, you start appearing interesting, mature, and thoughtful, which builds long-term attraction. 8. Public speaking. Speaking clearly and being able to express your thoughts, this skill makes you instantly unique. Most people hesitate and feel awkward, and this is where